Quality ba talaga ang Ingco Impact Drill? Well, I got you, my friend. Welcome back sa Power Tool Universe. Let's start from Ingco's specification. Ang Ingco Impact Drill ay may hammer function with 220 to 240 volts. Ang input power ay 680 watts, 3000 RPM. Maximum drilling capacity ay 13 mm. Additional features like variable speed, forward or reverse switch at hammer function. Product applications can be used in steel, wood and concrete. Para saan ba ang impact drill? Ang drill ay isang tool na ginagamit para sa paggawa ng mga bilog na butas o pang screwdriver. Kaunting kaalaman. Ang electric drill ay isang drill na pinapatakbo ng isang dekuryenteng motor. At noong 1895, ang unang portable handheld drill ay inimbento ng magkapatid na Wilhelm at Karl Fein ng Stuttgart, Germany. Magkano ba ang offer price ni Ingco sa impact drill niya? Well, to find out, just click the link below to earn 50% discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also click the notification bell. Now let's move on honest product review. Received parcel in good condition, thank you seller. Legit, very accommodating seller, thank you also to Shopee and J&T Delivery Man. This is my first purchase ng tools sa Ingco PH. Satisfied naman ako sa product. Na-test ko na din naman siya. Gumagana lahat ng functions niya. Hope magtagal to sakin. I rate you high, Ingco, for this product. Hope you rate me back. Looking forward for more Ingco product. Nasa chart ko na yung gusto ko, thanks. Legit, maganda, good and nice. We'll order more soon. Sana mag-sale ka, Ingco. Thank you seller. Thanks Shopee. Happy New Year, God bless us all. Salamat Ingco. Ganda ng Ingco Impact Drill nyo. Pang heavy duty siya. Lakas din ng makina niya. Salamat din sa rider nang nag-deliver, maayos at walang damage niyang na-deliver yung item. Secure na secure talaga, ang kapal nung bubble wrap niya. Bilis din dumating, 2 to 3 days, na-deliver na siya. Clamps were strong. The chock key is in the cellophane pala. Feels durable and heavy. Gloves were nice, bits are kept in a sturdy box. Seller was responsive. We'll order more next time in this shop. Overall beyond satisfied. Thanks for this overall review about Ingco Impact Drill. Satisfied naman ang mga recent buyers. Quality ba talaga ang Ingco Impact Drill? Thanks for watching. Stay positive. Stay safe.